I'm sure that as a teacher, you have feature on your Google Docs that you are reusing a lot from one document to another one. For example, here, while I was teaching design, I was always starting my document with this kind of table, announcing what will be the learning goals, what kind of activity we will have, and also the homework. And each time I had to make a copy paste of this table and paste it in a new Google Doc. Now there is a feature in Google Docs that let us do this much more easily. So let's look at how to do this. So you see here on my Google Doc, instead of making a copy paste of this table, I will access here in Insert, Building Blocks, Custom Building Blocks, and then you see I have saved it before and it's here. I'm going to click here and you see now it's visible. So how can you do this? So let's create, let's remove this. And let's suppose that, delete table, that you want to save something like this. And you want to reuse it this easily. So again, I will go on Insert, Building Blocks, Custom Building Blocks. And here I will create a new custom building block. I'm going to select it and I'm going to save it and I'm going to give it a name. So for example, title, document, create. So here now, let's suppose I'm on a new Google Doc and I want to easily insert these 3 lines. I'm going in Insert, Building Blocks, Custom Building Block, and I'm going to select Title, Document, and here it is.